Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make ripe plantain chips, which is one of the lucrative business I've ever seen. So we have our washed plantains and I have about 6 here. We'll begin by peeling it. I have this and I need to share it today. I don't want to hold it back because plantain chips is a very good business. Some people prefer unripe plantain chips, while majority prefer plantain that is a bit ripe. When you make the chips and you spice it up with salt and chili pepper, people prefer it, and that is why I have to do this. And again, I've seen 1 or 2 persons asking me if the previous plantain chips I did was ripe plantain or not. So now you can see the difference. The other one I made was green and this one look ripe. So the other one was unripe plantain chips and this is going to be ripe plantain chips. Though it's not very ripe, but trust me, when you make this you will love it, and people that will buy it will always come back for more. When you make this for your family, trust me, they are going to love it. You can also package it for your children whenever they are going to school, and if you are going to office, you can also have some in your bag, and trust me, you are going to love it. Please, if today is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you to my ever returning subscribers that always come back to watch my video. I say thank you. Now we are done peeling the plantain and this is what we have. The next thing is to start cutting it into our desired shape. This is not a very ripe plantain like the one we use for our beans or fry on our rice. This is half ripe plantain, not very ripe and not green, so it's in between. If you want to use it for business, this is a very good stage of ripe plantain to use. So this is what we have while using knife. This is the shape. It shouldn't be thick. Try as much as possible to slice it very thin. I'll be transferring it into a bowl. Secondly, I have this slicer which make the work very fast for me. You continue this process until you are done slicing the plantain. Now I'm done slicing the plantain and this is what I have. You have to make sure you slice it very thinly, not thick, and this is what I have here. For this ripe plantain chips, don't add salt before frying. Now we are going to start frying our plantain. We begin by adding our vegetable oil into the frying pan. Check to see that the oil is hot before adding the plantain. Because it is ripe plantain, you need to start stirring it immediately to avoid sticking. You can see me trying to separate the ones that have already stick. So make sure you stir it at interval to avoid sticking and also burning of the plantain. Try and monitor the heat. When you see that the heat is too much, you can reduce it so that the plantain will not get burnt. You have to fry this on a medium heat. These ones have sticked and this is me trying to separate it here. It's not easy to fry ripe plantain. You will always see them sticking to each other, but all you need to do is to stir it at interval and make sure you separate the stick. At this point our plantain is ready and I'll be taking it off the heat. Just make sure when your plantain is golden color like this, bring it off the heat to avoid burning the plantain, because if it stay more than this you will not like the outcome. The plantain will turn black because it's ripe plantain, almost not really ripe but almost ripe plantain. It might not really turn into black or looking burnt, but this is how I want my own plantain, and frying it this way will make it more attractive to any passerby if you are making it for business purposes. So you continue this same process until you are done frying the whole plantain. After adding this particular batch to the oil, I discovered using fork will help to separate the plantain faster than the other spoon I was using, and my choice wasn't wrong. It really helped me to separate the plantain, and at this particular point I never get too much sticking plantain like the first one I fried. And this is ready. I'll be taking it off the heat.
It must be romances, poems and pieces you put into stanzas. Picking petals for a sign of hope. One left, I'm scared to know.
I'm done frying the whole plantain, and this is what we have. It is time for us to spice our plantain, and here I have powder pepper and salt. Mix until well combined and keep it aside. Add your plantain into a flat bowl or any bowl that will be convenient for you to mix the plantain and the spices comfortably. Mix it well to make sure the spices get to all the plantain chips. Getting set for packaging. I'm going to use this nylon to package the plantain chips. It has a seal at the tip, so there won't be need for stapling it or using a sealing machine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to like and share the video with family and friends. Thank you. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming by to watch my video. Thank you. So you continue this process until you are done packaging the plantain chips. Make sure you seal the tip very well to avoid losing. I'm done with the packaging, and this is what we have from the 6 plantain. After all the testing, I was left with this. At this point, if you have a customized business sticker, you can gum it to the body. And if you don't even have a sticker, you can also sell your plantain like this. All you need to do is to fry it well. Don't allow it to burn. Add what you want to add moderately. You will see that people will like it, whether with sticker or not. People that will eat what is inside the package will always come back for it if it tastes nice. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.